Cheers to a month of my people. Okay. Oh, this is the wrong one. My fault. Yeah. I almost forgot the most important part. A cup full of ice. I broke some stuff. Hello. Griffin says hello. I think the show will be enough. But then I'll let the foamy part. It's probably pure sugar though. Stir.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Finish my coffee. And basically I was just watching edits on Pinterest because that's my life. You hadn't had to pee yet? You okay? Oh, false alarm. Thankfully he did not throw up. That would have been bad. Obviously. Things I might not have recorded / included. Did some chores because I'm a good child. I'm a good person. I'm not a child, I'm an adult. I did laundry. I washed dishes. I kind of paced around and listened to music. It's just the thing that I do. Listen to a lot of Renee rap. I think I might draw or something. And I might record that. Because that's something I'm trying to do more. I think I put my sketchbook in here. Look at me being right. I kind of want to do like a sketchbook tour at some point. But right now, I want to show you all my cover because it's kind of all over the place. But yeah, I have a bunch of random sketches in here. I'd love to do a sketchbook tour one day. But it's kind of cool. Some of them are inappropriate. I might not show that one. But we finally got to a blank page. Which is actually good that I've been sketching all this. Because honestly, I started sketching like a long time ago and I stopped. And now all this I've been sketching because therapy. If I'm being honest, that's kind of the main reason. So I don't know if it's finished yet. Oh look, not my but this is what I got so far. It's like a little butterfly with like random stuff in it. I like it. It's kind of random, it's kind of whatever, but I love my butterfly. Now I should probably go back to being a good dog mom. That'd be nice. Let me go check on my dog. So, it's noon. I'm getting ready to write. But you're not fine. You don't have to pretend for blank's sake. I'm not the one who's hurt, she points out, her voice breaking at the end. But you are hurt. This is trauma. Why am I all the way down here? I was like 2 lines lower than I was supposed to be. Well, not trauma dumping. That's not the right word. We're like word vomiting because of trauma. It's not beautiful. It's supposed to be. She's such a mom. No, that's. Oh. That's supposed to say not true. He's in there because of me. You know that's true. Like, no. Say some more. Just freaking random things. I thought I was about to crash out, but first some updates. Pretty sure we left off. I was writing. Writing got cut short because my dog needed to walk, which is fine, obviously. Like, then my phone started acting weird. The writing stuff I thought was going to get messed up because I recorded for way too long. That's the moral of the story. I'm keeping all my clips very short. One good thing though, while I was outside, came up with a lot of new video ideas, so I'm gonna write those down real quick.
Why were you talking about us?
Ramen.
A good place, and what are afterlife points, and who
It's a
was
good
the
place.
most, and is it me?
Wait a second, I know this guy. Kuzak Pizzazz.
Very good
He
time.
got me here from Jacksonville.
I love
No,
Jason.
this-
Okay, so I think I'm done. Basically, anything that wasn't recorded was just me doing the same things over. Or we're just like boring. Just like writing some more. Still didn't write a lot, but I wrote some. Walking my dog. Stuff like that. And job applications because I'm not being jobless on purpose. I'm just kind of filming these videos, kind of hoping to look back on them. Also help me just kind of be more confident and just get comfortable talking. That would be great. Guess that's it. Don't have any sort of like outro or anything yet. I don't know. Peace. Hey, I don't know. Like a way weird